Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. Thanks for subscribing and also thanks for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching us how to cut a cowl neck. Okay, so it's going to be a quick one. I already cut out the back bodies, which is here, and I'm using a lycra material, not too stretchy. It's stretchy but not too stretchy. So I did not add zipper allowance to the back because it's a stretchy material, and I already cut out the back bodies. Now I'm placing the back bodies on the fabric so that I can use it to also cut out the front bodies. Now when I folded, I did not fold the exact measurement I have for the back. I did not fold it for the front. I left enough allowance at this side because you are going to have cowl at the neck area here, and by the time you spread it you will need allowance on this side. So that was why I left enough allowance. Okay, so right here I have the basic bodies pattern. Okay, this is the half length. Since I'm making it down and I'm only going to make changes to the neck area, so I don't need to cut out the full bodies. So this is the half length. So I'm going to be placing the shoulder area here to the shoulder area of the back bodies here. You can see how I'm placing it, and then I'm going to pin the rest of this place. I'll pin it down to the fabric. So the way I'm going to be slashing now is the chest line. Right here is the chest line and right here is the bust line. Okay, so I'm going to be slashing the chest line area. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show us what I'm going to do. So guys, what I'm going to do next is to slash the chest line here. Okay, so I'm going to slash the chest line. I'm going to cut it open, and when you are cutting, make sure you did not cut to the end. Okay, you can see what I did here. I did not cut it to the end. This is what I have here. Okay, if you feel you still have excess here, you can decide to fold in your fabric again so that you don't waste the excess on this side. So now after placing it, let me put it back here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to pin the rest down. So I already pinned this down so as to put it in place, and then this side is where I'm going to be slashing. You can see, so the more you slash it, the more the higher it is, then the lower the cowl. You can see what I'm doing right here now. The higher it is, you can go as far as this. You can see, so the higher it is, the lower the cowl you have. Okay, but I'm not going to slash this too much, so I'm just going to do it and leave it around here. So what I'm going to do next is to carve out the arm area. I'm going to carve out the armhole area. So once I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is to mark the shoulder area. You are not going to follow the neck here. Once you have the shoulder line here, just place your ruler at the, okay, you can see what I have now, and then take your rule and then mark it out. Okay, so I have marked out this side, and ensure to pin down this area. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, because of the nature of this fabric, I won't be able to do my markings properly, so I'll just, when I'm ready to cut, I'll cut it out instead of marking it out with my chalk. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is to add facing. Okay, I want to add facing to the neck area, to that part that is going to be the cowl. I'm going to add facing there. So from the line I marked here, I'll just go up by 3 inches. Okay, from here now I'm going to take 3 inches upward from this line. You can go as far as taking 4 inches or 3.5. So I'll take 3.5 upward like this. Okay, so I extended the line here because I'm not going to be cutting this like this. Okay, when I'm cutting, I'm going to fold this facing inward so that I can cut it together with the arm area here. Okay, I'm going to show you what I will do here. So I'll go ahead now and cut this out. So since I already cut this out, so I'm going to fold these parts, these 3.5 inches I mark upward. I'm going to fold it in, okay, so that I can cut it together with the armhole. So guys, I'm done cutting, and what you are going to do is around that shoulder line, so make sure to notch your shoulder area so that you know where your shoulder area is. Okay, so let me just remove the back bodies and the pattern. Okay, so this is what I have after cutting this off. See what I have, and this is the facing around here. So this is what the facing look like. See, so around here you can decide to alter the facing by just curving it in around here, like so. By curving it in a little, see what I'll be doing. By just curving it here like this, you can and curve this place a little so that it doesn't go completely into the armhole. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to curve it in a little around here. But if you want to leave yours like that, you can leave it. But I just want to cut this a little so that it doesn't extend into the armhole. It will only stop. It will only stop at the shoulder area. Okay. But if you want yours to extend to the armhole, just like how it was before, you can leave it like that. But I just want mine to stop around the shoulder area. I don't want it to extend to the armhole. So, and then remember to notch this shoulder so that you know this right here is your shoulder line. Okay, when I join the back shoulder to it, I'm going to have something like this. It will fall like so. You can see how it's falling now. That's exactly how it's going to fall by the time I had the shoulder, the back shoulder to it. So guys, this is the outcome of the gown. You can see how beautiful the gown is looking. This is really beautiful, and you can see how well the cowl is falling, and this is the essence of adding the facing to the cowl. You can see it. And around the waist, I also added peplum to the waist. I did a little trick around there. I did not create a waist seam around there, so I only attached the peplum to the front waist. The peplum is not at the back waist, only the front waist, and it's extended to the side and it stopped around the hip. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.